dad would take me on his boat on Saturdays. He said, boy, be sure what you wanna be. Some days we had a catch, sometimes we got nothing. But I won't forget the lessons it left me. Cause we all have choppy waters in life. But it's up to you to sail them right. Going fishing for a desirable outcome. Going fishing for all that it's meant for me. Join me on the waters of this fantasy. You can get your catch on watery leaves. Come fishing, come fishing, come fishing with me, yeah. Fishing, come with you, baby. Fishing, ba ba da 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 da, yeah. Ba ba da 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 da. I wake up in the morning, destiny in. Heads on a mission to reach my dreams. And every day is a chance to do things right. And not everything is as it seems. Cause we all have choppy waters in life. But it's up to you to sail the ride. Going fishing for the desired outcome. Going fishing for all that is meant for me. Join me on the waters of this fantasy. You can get your catch on watery dreams. Come fishing, come fishing with me. Come fishing with me. Ba da ba da dum da dum 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 dum. Cause we all have choppy waters in this life. But it's up to you and I to sail them right. For your line might not have got a pulling might. Be better luck tomorrow when you finally hit a bite. Going fishing for desirable outcome. Going fishing for all that is meant for me. Join me on the waters of this fantasy. You can get your catch on quarantine. Ba-da-na